Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enter pairing mode on your Sony WH-1000XM5. So in order to do this, we'll need to pick up our headphones and they need to be enabled. Now press the power button, which is located on your left headphone. Simply hold it for a few seconds until, here's the power button, until it flashes in blue like that. Now it means they are powered on, and if I refresh available devices, they are not available here because they need to enter pairing mode. And now to enter the pairing mode, hold the power Bluetooth key for a few seconds until you hear pairing mode. So now we've just entered pairing mode, we can refresh available devices. They already showed up right here, but you can also connect like this. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.